In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a workflow in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're managing marketing projects, client work, internal operations, or personal tasks, building a clear workflow inside Monday.com can completely transform how your team stays organized and productive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional workflow with statuses, assignments, deadlines, and automations running smoothly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first step to creating a workflow in Monday.com is to create a board. From your Monday.com dashboard, click on the plus icon that says Add, then choose New Board. You can select whether it's a main board, private board, or shareable board depending on who needs access. For this example, let's create a main board. Now give your board a clear name that reflects your workflow, something like Marketing Workflow, Content Pipeline, or Project Management Flow. Naming it properly makes it easier to identify later. Once your board is created, you'll want to structure it using groups. Groups help you organize stages of your workflow. A simple and effective setup is to create 3 groups: To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can rename the default group to Do, then click Add Group to create In Progress and Done. These groups represent the high-level stages of your process. As tasks move forward, you'll drag and drop them between these groups, giving you a clear visual overview of progress. Next, let's add the essential columns that power your workflow. Columns define the data you track for each task. The most important column is the status column. If your board doesn't already have one, click the plus sign on the right side of your columns and add a status column. This allows you to label tasks as Not Started, Working on it, Stuck, or Done. You can customize these labels to match your exact workflow stages. After that, add a People column. This column lets you assign tasks to specific team members. Click Add Column, choose People, and now you can assign responsibility for each item. Accountability is key in any workflow, and this ensures everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. Next, add a Date column to manage deadlines. Click Add Column again, select Date, and now you can set due dates for each task. This makes it easy to see what's coming up and helps your team stay on schedule. At this point, you have the basic structure of a functional workflow: tasks, statuses, assignees, and deadlines. Now, let's make your workflow more powerful by setting up automations. Automations reduce manual work and keep everything moving automatically. At the top of your board, click on Automations, then select Add New Automation. Monday.com provides ready-made automation recipes that you can customize. For example, you can choose an automation that says, when status changes to Done, notify someone. This is great for alerting managers or stakeholders when work is completed. Another useful automation is, when date arrives, change status to In Progress. This automatically moves tasks forward when their scheduled start date hits. You can also set up, when item is created, assigned to someone. This ensures new tasks never sit unassigned. Simply click on the automation recipe you want, customize the fields like which status, which person, or which date, and then click Create Automation. You can stack multiple automations together to build a truly dynamic workflow that runs with minimal supervision. Finally, it's time to test your workflow. Add a few test items into your to-do group, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and change their statuses. Move items between groups and watch your automations trigger. Make sure notifications are being sent and statuses update as expected. Testing ensures everything works correctly before your team fully relies on the system. And that's it. You've successfully created a workflow in Monday.com with structured groups, essential columns, and powerful automations. This setup can be customized for any department or project type, and once it's in place, it saves hours of manual coordination every single week. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.